Hey everybody, Stephanie from Instant Pot Basics and Beyond, and today we're doing what everybody's asked for. Why everyone buys an Instant Pot, so you can throw dinner together super quick, super fast. That's why we love it, right? So today we're going to do chicken burrito bowls, and we're going to start with frozen chicken. So those days when either A, you forgot to put it in the crock pot, B, it's 5 o'clock and you have no idea what you're going to cook for dinner and everything's frozen, this is why we have an Instant Pot. So we're going to start, take your inner pot, we're just going to do a little spray at the bottom to make sure nothing sticks. Nobody wants dinner stuck to the bottom of the Instant Pot. After that, and then we are going to add in some chicken broth. Do yourself a favor and get some bouillon. Okay, I like better than bouillon. Every grocery store has it. Costco sells it. So we're just put a half a cup of broth in the bottom. The reason you buy bouillon is because then you only make the amount of chicken broth you need for the recipe you're doing. It's a teaspoon plus a cup of water. No more like having to remember to buy cartons or you only need part of it and then it goes bad. Bouillon is your friend. They make vegetable, chicken, and beef. Okay, so bouillon. Alright, I'm going to put some liquid in the bottom. We're going to add some frozen chicken. The recipe calls for, I'm going to touch that, there's a lot there. Okay, the recipe calls for a pound of chicken breasts. I am doing frozen chicken breasts, and this is actually a pound and a half because that's how the pieces worked out, but it's all good. Okay, the recipe that I will link that I'm following also calls for a packet of taco seasoning. I don't buy taco seasoning, I make my own and keep it in my little bottle, which is way cheaper and better for you because you know exactly what's in it, and there's a million recipes online. So we're just going to sprinkle probably about a tablespoon and a half over the top of the chicken. Okay? Then we need some corn. Throw some corn in there. So a can of corn, drained. You could use frozen if you want frozen. We're going to do a can of black beans that have been rinsed and drained. Yes, if you wanted to do pinto if you prefer pinto. Grab some salsa. We're going to do about a cup and a half of salsa. Okay, easy peasy, right? Whatever salsa floats your boat. You want to do green salsa, do green salsa. You've got homemade because you're awesome like that. Awesome. Okay, and then we're going to do some rice. I forgot my label. Hold on. Okay. So we want to kind of smooth this out just a little bit. We're going to put a cup and a quarter of just long grain rice sprinkled over the top. And then we're going to put in the rest of our chicken broth, which should be about a cup. And if you put your stuff in a jar, then you got to get the rest of the bouillon out of the jar. So we'll add a touch extra water. It's not going to hurt anything. Okay, put that in there. So the only tricky part is you want to make sure that your rice is underneath your water, which is a little bit tricky here because my chicken's kind of big and hard. But we'll make it work. We will get it done. Okay, so we have just everything together here in the pot. I forgot my trick, guys. Remember, if you want to speed things up a little bit, you can always hit saute on your pot as you start to just kind of get the element warming, the pot warming, and it speeds up the process just a little bit. And I forgot, but that's okay. All right, so that's it. Guess what? We're going to put the lid on. We're going to lock it. We're going to move our vent to ceiling. And now, we're going to do manual pressure for 12 minutes. Since I'm using frozen chicken, if you were using raw chicken, I would use, or thawed chicken, I guess frozen chicken is still raw, sorry. If you're going to use thawed chicken, I'd probably only do about 8 minutes. And we're just going to let that go. So again, it's going to come up to pressure. Once it's at pressure, it will start counting down the time. And this one we're going to let naturally release for about 10 minutes. Remember with meats, they turned out more tender if you let them naturally release than if you do a quick release. So once that's done and it's cooled back down, and then we'll come back and we will finish our burrito bowls. Okay, everybody, we're back. So this has come to pressure, cooked, come down to pressure for 12 minutes, all ready to open up. So the recipe says we're going to open the lid. Remember, there's always going to be a bunch of water on the lid. Remember, you can also stick it here. We're going to fluff the rice and find our chicken. We're going to pull out our chicken. Hopefully it's done. Where's the other one? Pull out our chicken. And a quick stir in here. Sometimes it has a hard time going on if it's still really hot in there. So just make sure that your knob is turned to venting. And sometimes you just kind of have to push it down and let the air, the heat come out of it. We're just going to turn this off and just let that sit while we get our chicken shredded. Need that. Push it over. So here's our chicken. I just like to take 2 forks. We're going to cut into it. So this is our bigger chicken breast. Remember, they were totally frozen. And it's cooked and juicy. That's just what we want. Hooray! So we're just going to give this a quick shred. The recipe, well, let's not dump it on the floor. Recommends toppings. So again, we're making a chicken burrito bowl. So things like avocado, if you want some lettuce, tortilla chips. But basically, once this is shredded, we're going to mix it in, or you can not mix it in, I guess, depending on how you want to make your burrito bowl. And dinner's done. Look at that, dinner's done. That's why we love the Instant Pot, right? That's why we buy an Instant Pot, because that's how quick it is to make dinner. I will say it took, as you saw in our little visual there, between prepping and while it was cooking, I hate this weird little bit of chicken. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the chicken breast, weird little bit. Anyhow, it did take like almost 20 minutes to come to pressure, which you're like, man, it only says it's supposed to take 12 minutes to cook. I know. That's sometimes I think an annoying thing about pressure cooker recipes or Instant Pot recipes. They'll say, cooks in 10 minutes, cooks in 12 minutes. Well, that's true. Like, it takes 12 minutes to cook, but that doesn't mean your dinner's done in 12 minutes. But what it does mean is that you can, at 5 o'clock, if you want to eat at 6, you put frozen chicken. I'm going to dump this all on the floor. You put your frozen chicken and your stuff in your Instant Pot. You turn it on. You have, 20, 30, 40, well, let's see. I can do that. So 20 minutes to come up, 12 to cook, 12 to come down. So maybe, like 40 minutes or so to then do whatever, it is. If your kids need help with homework, if you need to decompress for a few minutes after you get home from work. You're not standing in the kitchen cooking for an hour, You're not trying to thaw chicken and then figure out what the heck to do with it. It's done. It's just done. You just stick it in there, you give it a few minutes, right? And then you spend 5 minutes shredding chicken after it's cooked, and maybe a few minutes chopping up some toppings or getting your kids to chop up toppings. Mine are almost big enough to do helpful things like that if they want to. Okay, sorry this is taking forever. Here we go. Maybe you can be faster at shredding your chicken. There is a whole thing I've seen. I've never actually done it where you put like chicken in your stand mixer, but then you gotta get your stand mixer out and clean it. And I just rather shred it by hand. Okay, that's all shredded. So here we go. Done. All right, we're going to open this back up. Let's see if I can pull this out. This is going to be hot. Oh wait, I have a towel. It's clean, I promise. to pull this out. And here, what do we have inside? So we got cooked beans, rice, flavored with salsa. And, some more chicken on the counter. Throw that in there. And look, dinner's done. Dinner's done. That's why you bought an Instant Pot, right? I mean, yeah, it took a few minutes to cook, but you didn't have to do anything. You didn't have to be in the kitchen. You didn't have to stir anything. You don't have to watch it. So there we go. Chicken burrito bowls with frozen chicken in under an hour. Pretty awesome, right? I will make sure to put the link to the recipe below. We've got a Facebook page, we have a YouTube channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, all those things so you don't miss out on any of the rest of our awesome recipes we have to share with you.